Hey everyone, this is Seth, your detail doc. I want to make this video showing you guys how to prep before coating. At this time, the car is fully washed, fully clay barred and decontaminated. The surface just has some polishing oils left in it, so we really want to make sure we get the polishing oils off of the paint before we start laying our coatings down. The reason we need to do this is the coatings need to bond to perfectly clean paint. Otherwise, you can sacrifice the longevity and the durability of the coating, and we definitely don't want that. You guys are paying a lot of money for these services, so we want to make sure we bring you the best service and make sure that the coating bonds properly and you get the best out of your coating. So, just finished up paint correcting this Camaro. There's just some polishing oils left in it. You can't really tell, but this is just like you got to do this step before you put the coating on. So keep in mind, as I was going around polishing and paint correcting, I had isopropyl alcohol, which is a little different from panel wipe. Panel wipe's a little stronger. I was using isopropyl alcohol after each section to check my work. So this is the second, the insurance step to make sure it's 100% clean. So I'm going to show you guys how to use panel wipe here. This is Gtechniq Panel Wipe. It's diluted 50/50. I found that if you use it straight up, it's pretty strong, so I like to dilute it, and it still does a great job. So I have a clean microfiber towel here. You want to make sure this is clean because you don't want to be pushing in any dirt into your paint. You want to saturate the towel at first. I had already did that. I put about 8 sprays into the towel here, and so once it's saturated, I'm just going to do about 2 sprays into the towel, given that's already wet. And I'm just going to do a small section at a time, not try to overextend myself. And what I like to do is kind of make my borders and then fill in my borders, just like so. And I'll do like a cross hatch, make sure I get everything. And then I'm going to flip it to the other side. And sometimes if there's a lot of polishing oils, you'll actually see the panel wipe bring it to the surface and it'll kind of look hazy. And I'm just going to buff off anything that might be left that the panel wipe pulled up from the pores of the paint. Just like that. You got some squeaky clean paint, quite literally squeaky clean. Like it's really, really clean. So after that, the paint's ready to go. It's ready to be coated. This is a really important step to make sure you get the longevity and long-term durability out of your coating. Always do this step. So with all my coatings, if it's a 5-year or 9-year coating, I make sure to at least panel prep it twice. Like I said, as I'm going around, I'm checking my work with isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm going to go panel wipe it at the end, and then it's ready for coating. We're doing a 5-year ceramic coating on this one. We're doing a Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light, topped with XOV4. Really hydrophobic, easy to clean, and great gloss and shine. If you guys would have any questions or concerns, make sure to give me a call, 989-244-0505. And if you guys are interested in my services, make sure to give me a holler as well. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and have a great day.